Welcome students. So last video we discussed how to calculate the beta, what actually beta is, and alpha, how to calculate alpha. We saw the problem which was related to where raw data was given regarding market and stock return. So we calculated a return in percentage, then we used some formula to calculate beta and alpha. So we will see a different type of data given, and let's see how to calculate beta and alpha. So looking at the problem, we can see here. Okay. So the following data give the market return and the Sun company scripts return for a particular period. So we have both the data. One is for the market and another one is for stock return. Okay, so this is index return, that is nothing but market return. This represents whole data, and this is script return, that is nothing but RI. Okay, so he directly has given in the 0.50 in the percentage wise, and he has asked us to, first question is he has asked us to what is the beta value of the Sun company script. We have to calculate the beta. And in second question, he is asking if the market return is 2, what would be the script return? So that is the B. So we will solve first one, that is calculation of beta. So to calculate beta, so we are using this table. Okay, please note it down all the table. So you can pause the video and you can take all the tables and you can calculate. So here the first column represent RM, that is nothing but market return, and second column is this is RM minus R bar M. So bar is somewhat missing. So third column is RM minus R bar M bracket square, and this column denotes that is stock return. Okay, and this is tells market return column. And here again we have Ri minus R bar I. Okay, and here we have Ri minus R bar I bracket square. So last column is Rm minus R bar M into Ri minus R bar I. So let's see the data. If you see, he has given the market return and script return directly. So we will take the data here. Okay, so the first he says it's 0.5, then 0.6, then 0.5 again, then 0.6, then 0.8, then 0.5, then 0.8, then 0.4, then 0.7. So if you look at total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have number of total 9 days. So now what we have to do, we have to sum it up. So after adding these all values, so 0.5, 0.6, so we will get the value that is 5.4. So we will get the value 5.4 here. Now we have to calculate that is R bar M. So R bar M is equal to 5.4. So this is total. Okay, this is the total value we got, that is 5.4. So 5.4, so divided by 9. So we will get the value that is 0.6. So R bar M is equal to 0.6. Now what we have to do is, now we have to, in the second column, we have to calculate Rm minus R bar M. So we know Rm, that is 0.5, okay, minus R bar M, that is 0.6. So we will get minus 0.1. So same thing we will do here for the second column. So 0.6 minus 0.6 is equal to 0. Next again 0.5 minus 0.6, again minus 0.1. Next, again here 0.6 minus 0.6, so we will get 0. Next, 0.8 minus 0.6, so we will get plus 0.2. Okay, so again next 0.5 minus 0.6 is equal to minus 0.1. Again 0.8 minus 0.6, so we'll get 0.2. So 0.4 minus 0.6, so we'll get minus 0.2. So after getting plus 2 value, again we will get the minus value. So at the last, that is 0.7 minus 0.6 is equal to plus 0.1. So we get plus 0.1. So we calculated Rm minus R bar M now. Now the third column says Rm minus R bar M bracket square. So we are going to square this all the values. Okay, we are going to square the second column. So the square of, so if I square, so 0.1, that is minus, the square is equal to, we'll get 0.01. So we'll square it of all the values. So here we'll get 0. Here we'll get 0.01. Okay, again here we will get 0. We will get, here we will get 0, 0.04, 0.01, next 0.04, again 0.04, and the last we will get 0.01. Now we will sum it up. So adding this all values 0.01, 0, 0.01. So total we will get is, so here we will get 0. So we'll just write it. So 0.16. So we'll get the value 0.16. So total for the market. Now we will go for the stock return. So stock return values, we will take it here. That is first one 0.3, second is 0.6, then 0.4, then 0.5, 0.6, then 0.3, 0.7, then 0.5, then 0.6. So we took it from the table. Now we will add these all. So after adding these all, we'll get the value, that is 4.5. So now we have to go for R bar I. So if we go for R bar I, it will be 4.5 divided by 9. So R bar I will be 0.5. So this is R bar. Now we will deduct all this R bar I, that is average return, from the stock return, that is 0.3 minus 0.5. So is equal to, so we will get minus 0.2. So for the second one, we will deduct 0.6 minus 0.5. So we will get 0.1. So again, we will do it for here, 0.4 minus 0.5. So we'll get minus 0.1. Okay. So next, we'll do it for 0.5 minus 0.5. We will get 0, 0. Next, if we 0.6 minus 0.5, so we'll get plus 0.1. Next 0.3 minus 0.5, so we'll get 0. Minus 0. Sorry, So I'll get minus 0.2. Next 0.7 minus 0.5 is equal to, so we'll get plus 0.2. Next 0.5 minus 0.5, so we'll get 0, 0. Next 0.6 minus 0.5, so we'll get 0.1, that is in plus. Okay, so we have calculated Ri minus R bar I. Now we have to square these values. So the first value is minus 0.2. So square of this is, so we will get 0.04. Now 0. Bracket square. So we'll get 0.01. Next, same again, squaring up this, so we'll get the value 0.01. Next, 0, 0, again 0.01, then 0.04, next 0.04, again, then 0, 0, then 0.01. Now after this, we will add it up. So this column will become again 0.16. Now we will move to the last column, that is Rm minus R bar M into Ri minus R bar M. So here we are multiplying column number 2, okay, to column number 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll multiply column number 2 into column number 5. So here we have to multiply column number, that is the column number 1 is minus 0.1, okay, into, that is column number 5 is 0. Minus 0.2. So we will get the value, that is plus 0.02. So we'll get 0.02. Okay. So for the next one, if you do it, so here we have 0 into multiplying with this, that is 0.1. So we will get 0, 0. Now coming to the third one, that is minus 0.1 into minus 0.1. So we will get plus 0.01. So same thing we will do it for all the columns. So we will get the values. So here we will get 0, 0. Okay. And here we will get 0.202, then 0.02, okay, then 0.04, then 0, 0, then 0.01. So after calculating the values and multiplying column number 2 and 2 with the 5, so here we have to sum it up. So after adding these all values, so we will get a 0.12. So this is Rm minus R bar M into Ri minus R bar M. So we have calculated this. Now we will move to calculate the beta. So to calculate the beta, this is the formula we are using now. So beta is equal to summation Ri minus R bar into Rm minus R bar M, that we have already calculated, and divided by summation Rm minus R bar M bracket square. So let's calculate beta for this. Okay. So summation this first one, the value summation Ri minus R bar I and into Rm minus R bar M, that we have already calculated. So we got it. So this is the value. Okay. So we will put it here. That is 0.12. So divided by, so summation Rm minus R bar M bracket square. So summation Ri minus R bar M. So we got it 0.16. So this is the value. So we'll put the value, that is 0.16. So we'll get beta, that is 0.75. So beta for the particular stock is 0.75. Now we will move further and we will calculate the alpha. So alpha formula, we know that. So y bar minus beta into x bar. Now we have to calculate y bar. So y bar is equal to, okay, so that y bar is equal to, so we know the value that we have calculated, that is 4.5, sorry, yeah, 4.5 divided by 9. So that is 0.5. Okay. Now we'll calculate x bar is equal to, so that is we have calculated 5.4 divided by 9. So we get 0.6. So we got the y bar and we got the x bar. Now we will put it in the formula. So we are putting in the formula, that is alpha is equal to y bar minus beta into x bar. So y bar we got is 0.5 minus, so beta we have calculated, that we got is 0.75, okay, into, that is x bar we have calculated, that is 0.6. Okay, so after calculation, so we get the value of alpha. Alpha is 0.0. So value of alpha is 0.05. So this is the first question that is over now. Now let's move to the second question that was asked in the problem. That was, if the market return is 2, then what would be the scrip return? So let's calculate this. To calculate that, we have to use formula, that is Ri is equal to alpha plus beta into Rm. That is nothing but market return. Okay, that we have to use it here. Now, so we have the value, that is alpha. We have calculated, that is 0.05 plus the beta is 0.75, that is calculated, and he is stating that market return will be 2. That is nothing but Rm, that is market return. So we get the value, so 1.5. So if the beta value is 2, okay, if the beta value is 2, the market return we can say, so it is going to 1.55. Sun company's scrip value would be 1.55. This is the answer for the question number 2. Okay. Thank you.